Hi guys, I seriously did not expect the questions I've got on the video I just showed of this charity shop find, which is a egg timer. It's got three timers in it, 1 minute, 2 minute and 3 minute, and I got people coming up with questions about how does it work. Well, I think the way it works is the 1 minute one has a larger hole than the 2 minute, and the 2 minute is a larger hole than the 3 minute. So the sand takes longer to get through the smaller hole. I think the sand is the same size in each case. So all I can do is use my USB microscope and see if we can actually look through the glass and try and establish, let's turn it the right way. Okay, so the first one we're looking at is the 3 minute hole. Scroll across, 2 minute hole, and go across, 1 minute hole. So the 1 minute hole is the biggest. I don't know if we can actually measure this in any way. I'll see what I can do when I edit it. So 1 minute hole, two minute hole, 3 minute hole. Yeah, I think we can see that. 3 minute hole is the smallest, so the sand has to queue up to get through. 2 minute hole, more grains of sand can go through at the same time. And 1 minute hole, they can all rush through at the same time, figuratively speaking. Now if we come up here, I don't know if we'll actually be able to look at the size of the grains of sand. So the black is the 1 minute. Red is the 2 minute. And white is the 3 minute. I think we can say they look like they're all the same size. I don't know if I can change the focus at all. All right, white 3 minute, red 2 minutes, black 1 minute. I think they're all the same size. Can't really be sure looking through the plastic at it. And get back down to the hole again. 1 minute hole, biggest. 2 minute hole, slightly smaller than the 1 minute hole. And 3 minute hole. And smallest. So yeah, I think that's how it works. Hope that answers the questions. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.